Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Joanne Tumala from the Philippines, province of Bukidnon. 42 of age. I am married and no child. I am the second of the family. I have one sister and two brothers. I work in Malaysia as domestic helper for almost 2 years. I serve three members of the family, two elderly and one adult, ages 65, 75, and 28. My primary work is to taking care of cats and doing household chores such as cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, cleaning the house, car washing, gardening, and ironing the clothes. My love for my family drives me to work abroad with hope that I will give them a better future. So mom and sir, if you give me opportunity to work in your family, I will promise that I will work hard and take care of your family. I hope you consider my willingness. Thank you and God bless.